In just a few moments I'm going to be rolling Tina G back into a cleanish workshop, reasonably tidy. But before we do that, I'm going to just give you a summary of the parts of the video so far on this Tina G road trip and engine build. Just talk you through what kind of stuff's been going on. So it's onto the tripod for you. Well, in my hand are some notes that we made when we put Tina G on the Krypton machine. Yes, you guessed it, we got the engine going. There's a lot been happening with the car. It got laid up for, whoa, over a year. And in that time, a lot of stuff happened. So we've gone through it bit by bit. Started by getting the engine out, of course, doing the flex plate, redoing the valve stem seals. They all smoked. We had the exhaust done. We had to do a torque converter swap. We had to do many things, tidying up the wiring, and then there was some gremlins in the dashboard with the alternator light. We did that. Then the prop shaft went. Then the ball joints had gone, and now the back brakes, handbrake doesn't work on the offside, so I've got to do that. So really the car's just been hammered with bang, 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 bang to get it back to spec. I suppose some of the stuff that I've been doing is probably was in the pipeline anyway before the car flex plate failed and it went off the road for a year. But a lot happened just by it standing still. Stuff started to corrode, the indicators went, the front indicators both sides, as I said, the dashboard light for the alternator went. But I've got it back on the road, so you're going to see in this series, we're up to episode 4 of the series. This is just a little intro film because we're going to go out on the road in the car, so you're going to jump ahead of the film series. That doesn't really matter, it just shows that we've got it going. And I'm going to go and do a little piece to camera just to get you up to speed, also to test the prop shaft, which failed. We've got another one built, so we've got some great stuff coming up in the next parts of the videos. Well, as I say, we're up to episode 3 on YouTube, episode 4 on Patreon. I expect the series to be about 8 parts, maybe 7 parts altogether when I finally finish it, and then that would be it for this set of videos. We'll just have to see where we go from there. Tina G does need more work, but mechanically we'll get it right, but it needs body work next as well. Many things, the car's never really had a full hit. It was always one that I just kept on the road with small repairs, whereas the other cars I've got other than KP, I've had the full dip and rebuild and full body shell rebuilds. I'd like to do that with the car one day. You know, don't know when, but one day when I run out of things to do, I'll probably end up stripping the whole car back and dipping it, and I'll find all my old welds from the 90s that I did on it. A lot of brazing work was done. Then days I didn't use MIG. I used to use the oxy acetylene, which you've just seen me use on that filler reservoir on the power steering pump. So lots been going on, and of course plenty of it's been filmed, and it's been good fun to do it. Appreciate there's been some super chatters out there as well. Pluto Motors back on board, Burger Chat back on board, some road trips with Andy the Lens and Chris. Just for the hardcore fans, there's some hardcore fans out there, they want to see Chris. Shout out if you want Crazy Chris back, comment below. Anyway, I'm going to get on the road and test this prop, park up and do a little one of my Bramble Rumbles to camera, just because some people like them, and let's just see what's on my mind. Could be anything. And then I've got some more work, I'll get that brake fixed. So some of the things I've mentioned are ahead of the video series. It doesn't matter, it's just a taster of things to come. So you'll be seeing a starter motor rebuild, you'll be seeing a prop shaft repair, you'll be seeing the indicator repairs, and many other things coming up in the next few series of videos. Just a short 10-minute, 15-minute clip, this one. Bit of Sunday afternoon fun. I'm bored! There's something to do. See you in a sec. Okay, Pete C at the controls, checking out the prop shaft then. A little bit of bonus footage and a taste of what's to come on these new series of videos. So I'm going to build up the speed, just slowly starting off. I can hear a little bit of low end rumble there.
Now that's not vibration speed, I don't think. I reckon that is the centre bracket, the saddle bracket. I think you can sort of just move that a little bit. It kind of squeezes the prop against the diff. It's probably pushed too far back on the CV. Let's just put some speed down. Test the kick down. There's the kick down, so that's adjusted right. I had to set that as well. That had drifted. Now it's just changed up into the top. Through these corners, see how the steering feels through the corners. So I like the way that steering feels. That's not too heavy, not too light. Just about right. Tractor, watch out for him, someone flashing. I know who that is. He's going to be on YouTube! My friend just went past. That's smooth. Whoa, yes. Listen to that, how quiet that is. Nice. A wallowy ride through the bumps. These 70s cars are so floaty. They're like a baboon doused in itching powder. But the only thing missing is a load of flashing lights and bubbles.